Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe. Today's topic I'm going to talk on an interesting topic. Am I still not clear on the difference between a project manager and product manager? Let's discuss. Let's understand. Are you still not clear on what is the difference between project manager and product manager? Yes, most of the times these roles are like a puzzling. But if you closely understand these two words, only separated by only two letters. That's funny. And more than any function in most of the companies, sometimes these two are like intersecting each other. Sometimes both are working in under same person, or maybe they both behave and manage the project as the same person in some cases. For me, product is something where you wanted to distribute to a group of people. It can be your physical object or which you are holding, or it can be your mobile app, or it can be a service which you are offering. Project, on the other hand, I think you might have already got what is a project all about. It's a series of actions with predetermined outcome, with some of the start and end dates. The project will be completed once the goal is met. Let's understand, you are offering a brand new smartphone app. It may have a lot of projects before it is ready to debut. Each of those projects will have its own start and finish dates. But smartphone app itself is a product that will continue to improve as long as it is sold to the customers. There are three aspects you should consider, which will help you to understand the distinguish between these two. One, be clear on the role. What is the product manager role? Right? It's they act like a CEO of their own product or a business. They design the plan, they prioritize releases, they consult with customers, and they specify the features. So these are all activities are ongoing, and they are in charge of the complete end-to-end product whole life cycle. They just want to create a product which customers love. That's what its role about. Project manager, they're in charge of the project from start to finish. It could be a single project or a collection of several projects. Only their task is to carry out the product managers or a leadership team's strategy. They have to work with larger team with variety of resources or talents just to accomplish a project on time and on budget. That is what role about project manager. And second aspect, responsibility. Product managers, they should also be clear on what are we building, what problem are we going to solve, how this is going to bring a value add to the table. So they think and they are in charge of strategy, releases, features, go to market, etc. So specific product goals, they are often less important to the project manager, but they are more concerned with the project at hand. Any project manager, they use a product goals or a features to create a timeline based on certain resources or people, risk and scope constraints, right? Because project manager, they should ask, what are my resources? How many of those resources are required? When do you think the project should be expected to complete? Who will be done by whom? What will be done by whom? Because as a project manager, you are responsible for a budget, scope, resources, capacity, all those things. The last one, collaboration. On a daily basis, if you are a product manager, you collaborate with a lot of cross-functional teams just to plan what should be the product for a future. You might be discussing with your engineering team, sales team, customer teams, right? So because you are responsible for complete product life cycle. So you want to involve in any of those projects which fall under your product line of business. So you are in charge of what has to be scope of each project, and you need to explain why these projects will still want to be part of company strategy at a high level. But when it comes to the project manager, he works closely with the rest of the team, but his primary concern is, am I clear on the plan? am I well prepared the plan? Because he is very worried on or more focused on the time, because they are in charge of one project at a time. Then they wanted to move, to take over the additional responsibilities, right? So it can be a project or delivering or developing a new payment gateway app. Maybe in the next down the line 6 months, he will be thinking about always budget, resources, timeline, quality, etc. So they have to be very well versed, with all the aspects of the complete end-to-end program. So both are required to understand collaboration in much better ways. Just to conclude my thoughts around this, product and project managers, they look at same work from different angles. That's a great thing when you are trying to do something different, like introducing a new product, which I just given an example, right? They're nevertheless members of the same team. And understand one thing, when they work together, everyone benefits, including the company. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for your time. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for listening, and thank you.